applied the 3M glue on the back and side of this, so that way I have a perfect lining. So as you guys can see, it's on there, but what's up, you guys, man? Welcome back to the channel. So today, man, I'm about to go ahead and screw down these brackets, and then also I went ahead and I received my top radiator cover. That's OEM. Right now, you guys might not hear me that clear because my microphone did break, but today's the day. I'm about to go ahead and screw down my brackets. So as you guys can see, the brackets are not actually screwed down. It's only glued. So what I did was I took some of this, cleaned it really good. Let's see, hold on, let me show you all the stuff that I used first. What I did was I used prep spray and pretty much wipe down the brackets on the inside. I use this adhesion promoter. That's what I went ahead and sprayed on the plastic. I applied the 3M glue on the back and side of this, so that way I have a perfect lining. So as you guys can see, it's on there, but it's not on there. I only did it so that way when I take off the bracket, which I'm gonna show you guys, it does not come off. So now I'm about to go ahead and put, let me see, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna put 5 screws. One right here, one right here, one right here, one right here, and one right here. Because I want this bracket to be on there properly. And as you guys can see, I did cut my wrap, so that way this bracket is damn near permanent. But enough of that talking, let's go ahead and get to this install. So if you guys are wondering, these are the kind of cell type of screws that I'm using. As you guys see, I went ahead and did 4 because I don't see it being necessary for me to put 5. So I put 1 right here, 1 right here, 1 right there, 1 right there. So now let's go ahead and clip on this Widebody fender. As you guys see, what I did was I went ahead and put it on just so I could see to make sure all the fitment was okay. So now I'm about to go ahead and peel off this 3M tape. So when you're peeling off the 3M tape, just peel back like that much, okay? Just that much, so that way you can start to work it in. And the tape is to pretty much hold it in until it's actually good to be mounted on somewhat permanent. So what you guys see me just do is, if you guys seen like on Vicrez, pretty much you see like you have like a little gap right here. So you make sure you want to tuck this in when you actually put this tape on to hold this wide body in place. So that way you really have a seamless look that looks just like OEM. And I'm gonna show you guys that once I'm done. So pretty much I got this side on pretty good. Now I just gotta wait. I'm just gonna wait like 24 hours. I forgot my heat gun, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come back tomorrow, apply some heat to it, and make sure you guys put some tape at the corners as well, so you guys see there's really no gap. That's what you want. Clean, boy. I know a lot of people be saying they got some big gaps, but this is damn near seamless. You're gonna have a line, of course, but there is no big gap, and that's what you want. So I got that side on. So this is gonna be in one video. I'm gonna finish up this rocker panel, so that way I can put the other wide body fender right here. But I can't do the front yet because these tabs right here, the wide body basically snaps in. So if I put the wide body on here, I might have to pull it back off just to sit here and wrap this. Well, technically I gotta take the LEDs from underneath and I gotta rewire them. So technically I can actually mount the bumper on here, but I still want to take that out and fix the LEDs on the bottom. So this is how it's looking so far. Man, it looks crazy with those rims on there, man. It really does look crazy. I'm gonna put some more tape on this one right here. You know what I'm saying? I mean, there's ways to actually do this, but I mounted it onto the wrap, so that way when I plan on changing the wrap, I can just pull it off without actually having to damage the paint on the car or anything like that. So you can mount it on the wrap, because if you wrap in your car, this wrap is gonna come off eventually, right? So you're gonna have to take this off. But that's how it looks so far. I'm exhausted, you guys. See that alignment? Probably can't see it, but there's a little gap right here. But I want to basically make sure it's pretty much lined up with the vehicle. But yeah, that's beautiful. All right, guys, so I'm back today, you know, after Thanksgiving. I went ahead and got my tire pressure sensors. So everything is OEM. Believe it or not, you guys, I literally got all of this for $40, okay? The dealership was charging me like $100 for just one. Literally got this online, $40 for the whole set. Now, here's how it looks so far, you guys. It looks seamless. So the method that I showed you guys, when I basically filled in those little slots with that, it's like some welding stuff. Seen it online. I was like, you know what? Let me try this. This is how it looks. Okay. So this side looks good. It looks good. Now, I feel like I'm still gonna have issues due to Arizona. Stuff that they put on it, like the 3M and all that stuff, it really does not stick. So I had to use Gorilla Tape. So hopefully that holds up, but if it doesn't, I'm literally gonna find a better solution because when I came back, it was bulging. But I'm gonna tell you exactly, if you have this issue, I'm about to show you guys why. As you putting this on, you wanna make sure you're pressing inward so that adhesion right here can stick. You gotta just keep pressing, keep pressing, keep pressing, and you will damn near get a seamless look. You guys may see bubbles, but that's because I didn't put no heat to this. I gotta put some heat to that, and that's gonna be fine. It's pretty much, this car is pretty much done. I'm about to go ahead and install these tire pressure sensors so I can go ahead and get these rims on. So that's pretty much all it is. You know, just put that on, snug it. Don't tighten it too crazy. You know what I'm saying? It's not gonna go anywhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and do all the rims like this, and then I'll be right back. All right, so you guys can see, got all my rims, my nozzles. I said nozzles. My valve stems installed. Now the other rim is at my place, so I gotta get that one done. And pretty much I'm gonna be taking 2 today and putting those on here because I'm waiting on FedEx to deliver the tires so that way I can put these on there. You guys, so literally my tires got delivered today. Okay, and I'm about to show you guys. I'm about to get these things mounted. Let me just show you guys. So these are 315s, 35, 20s. Okay, so I got one right there. Then I got one right there. Yeah, you guys, so right now I'm about to go ahead and put these 315s finally on these rims right here. So we're gonna go ahead and see how this thing looks. Believe you guys. Gotta get this bad boy mounted on there. Y'all need to come get your tire changed. He'll come take care of you. He'll take care of you. I'm gonna put the address down below so you guys can come down here and get your tire changed. Oh, you bad, huh? You a bad boy.
Oh, when you set it up.
You a bad boy. You a bad boy. I think I'm gonna have to tip you some more, man.
That's why I want to do it, brother.
I gotta get the pop. All right, guys, so you see the rim is a little bit, the tire's a little bit dusty, but you know what I'm saying? Once I put the tire shine on there, everything gonna start looking good. Now, I'm not gonna keep this forge on here very long. I only got it on here just to see how it will look. So more than likely, I'm gonna take it off, and I'm probably just gonna leave, I would say just like the purple, and the rest is just gonna be black. Hey, I'm not gonna cat with you guys. This junk looks insane. This junk looks insane, you guys. Like, oh my God, I know you guys want me to turn this camera around. The rims on this is insane. I literally snapped on this one. I'm gonna turn it around. But look, you guys, make sure you give this video a fat thumbs up because, bruh, this is insane. Well, as you guys can see it, look at that, man. Look at those wheels, man. Those are 315s in the back. 315s in the back. No spaces. I'm gonna let you guys see at that time, man. Yeah, y'all see what time it is, bro. This junk is about to snap hard. You hear me? This junk looks crazy. This junk looks crazy. Like, yo, this joint literally looks insane. You hear me? This joint literally looks insane. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let me show you guys that seamless look of that wide body. Check it out. Seamless, you hear me? Like, this is a complete, like, the camera does not do it no justice, you guys. It is insane. This camera does not do no justice right now. Like, I'm gonna just be straight up honest with you guys. It doesn't do no justice, man. That's gonna be it for this video, you guys. You guys see it, man. I'm literally snapping with this thing. I'm literally snapping with this charger, man. Stop playing with me. But look, man, you guys wanna see the finished product? You know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.